Today I'm going to fire up the grill and make a Sunday roast chicken dinner on the Weber Q. It's going to be great, so stick around. Alright, so I've got this chicken here, just over 4 pounds, and the first thing I'm going to do is pat it dry, and this will help the skin crisp up. The next thing I'm going to do is get some olive oil all over that skin. Stuff it with half a lemon. Got some fresh herbs here. I've got some thyme, some parsley, rosemary. Stuff these into the cavity with the lemon. Some garlic salt. Some Italian seasoning. You could use herb de Provence here if you wanted as well. Tie these legs. Trim off the extra. I'm going to tuck these wings underneath the bird here. Just the wing tips like this. Get those tucked underneath. And then I'm going to hit it with just a little more of those Italian seasonings here. And our bird is ready for the Weber Q. Okay, to set the grill up, I've got a double layer of aluminum foil. And then place a roasting rack right onto the aluminum foil. And we're gonna let this heat up until it's about 375 degrees. Okay, you can see here that the temperature is reading just under 300. But since this foil is in here, blocking the heat from coming up to the thermometer, I think it's actually hotter than that in there. Add the chicken. And we're gonna close the lid and give this 20 minutes a pound, so it's just over 4 pounds. So it's gonna be about an hour and 20 to an hour and a half cook. Next thing I'm gonna do is get the potatoes ready. Stick these into a bowl. I'm gonna add in some olive oil, garlic salt, some fresh thyme, some fresh ground black pepper, a couple of cloves of chopped fresh garlic, a little bit of that Italian seasoning. And I'll just mix this around with my hand. We are good to go. Right, here we are now, about halfway through the cook, and I'm gonna take these potatoes and just put them all around the chicken. Baste the chicken with some olive oil that's been seasoned up with some herbs and garlic salt. All right, we're gonna close the lid and keep on grilling. I'm gonna check on this. That's looking great. Just gonna baste this chicken one last time with whatever olive oil I have left on here. I don't have too much left. And just so you can see what temperature I'm cooking at, I'm right between medium and high. Temp 168. We are perfect. And let me just check these potatoes. Oh yeah, they're fork tender. Very tender. That's perfect as well. And here is our final dish, a roast chicken dinner made on the Weber Q. Take this string off the legs, and I don't know, you can't really see it, but the juices have all run clear. Maybe I'll start with a potato. I do that. Starting with a potato. You can really taste, the herbs on those. Very delicious. The garlic. We'll take off one of these legs here. So you can see that beautiful leg. Man, look how much juice is rolling out of this thing. It's unbelievable. I'm going to give this a little taste. I'll get a little skin on there as well. That's some thigh meat. That is lovely. Let me try a little more of that skin. Skin is the best part, right? Roast chicken. That's delicious, nice and crispy. I'll try some of this breast meat here. Into that juice. That is a Sunday roast chicken dinner. Man, one of my favorite foods in the world is roast chicken. It's that easy. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and hit that notification bell so you know when new videos come out. And of course, keep on grilling.